No more laughs here in the Hot for Food kitchen. It's serious business. Hey y'all, it's Lauren. I am Hot for Food, back here as I am every Wednesday on the Hot for Food YouTube channel, cooking up vegan love. The challenge is back. Just kidding, it's a solo challenge of just Lauren Toyota challenging herself. Today we are going to be making jackfruit, tinga, quesadillas, and tacos. I'm calling this the battle of the century. Quesadillas versus tacos. You will vote and decide which one you like better. It's a hard one. I mean, I think taco's gonna win, but you know, I always like a nice crispy quesadilla. So jackfruit tinga, normally you'd make chicken tinga with like adobo chili sauce and fiery roasted tomatoes and onions, but we're gonna use jackfruit instead of chicken, of course, because we eat vegan over here, and I'm showing you ways of substituting your meat in your meals. So let's get cooking. To prep your jackfruit, you're gonna use jackfruit in a can that's been drained and rinsed from the brine. Pat it dry with some paper towel, and then using your hands, pull the jackfruit apart into 1-inch pieces so it looks really shredded. In a pot over a medium heat, you're gonna add some vegetable oil and the white onion, and cook this for about 2 minutes until it's softened. Stir in dried oregano, chipotle chili powder, cumin, sea salt, and vegan chicken flavored bouillon paste. Add garlic and cook for about 1 or 2 more minutes. Then add chipotle chilies, roasted tomatoes, and some sugar. Now add the jackfruit and cook until it's slightly reduced for about 5 to 7 more minutes. Spread the filling out onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake in an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until slightly caramelized and a little bit more dry. Once the jackfruit is baked, turn that oven down to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. To assemble the quesadillas, on half of a tortilla, you're gonna add some refried beans, vegan cheese shreds, about 1 cup of the jackfruit tinga, and sprinkle with fresh cilantro. Now fold it in half and repeat with all the remaining tortillas. Pan fry 1 or 2 quesadillas at a time in a nonstick skillet over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown. You can cover the pan with a lid so the vegan cheese melts on the inside and turn the heat to low. For an extra crispy cheese crust, you can sprinkle even more vegan cheese shreds right onto the nonstick skillet with the heat back up to medium-high. Add the pan-fried quesadilla on top of the shreds and fry for 1 or 2 more minutes. Then add more cheese shreds to the skillet before frying the other side, and fry the other side for 1 to 2 more minutes as well. The cheese on the outside should be nice and golden brown and toasty. We're gonna make some chunky guacamole to add to these quesadillas. So combine red onion, cilantro, jalapenos, lime juice, freshly grated lime zest, sea salt, ground black pepper, and diced avocado in a bowl. Gently stir this together so that your avocados remain intact. Now we're gonna make a jackfruit tinga taco bake. Make the jackfruit filling the exact same way as you did for the quesadillas. Add the refried beans, jackfruit tinga filling, cilantro, and lots of vegan cheese shreds. Then cover the baking dish with foil so that the cheese can melt, and bake in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once baked, you can add some of that chunky guac right on top. we are having a party over here. Check out the jackfruit tinga quesadillas and the jackfruit tinga taco bake. I like the name of that one better because of the 2 T's there. But anyways, is that called alliteration? I don't know. I haven't been in school for a very long time. Okay, so which one are you gonna pick and which one am I gonna eat first? Oh my God, the quesadillas are luscious, crispy cheese crust on the outside, which you can keep them warm in the oven while you make the rest, or if you've got leftovers, you can also re-pan fry them and it gets nice and crispy once again. I guess I'll go for the quesadilla first. I don't know. Then we got this taco bake. I thought putting them all in the baking dish was easier and they all melt at the same time. We went with the crunchy tortilla, but you can go with the soft if you want. I'm sure it would work out the same way. Should I just hold both and do both at the same time? That's what she said. Okay. Okay. Guys, which one? I don't know. I'm gonna go taco first. Look, it's nice, it's already standing and it's nice little flat tortilla. Oh yeah, all the flavors are going really well together. I think we'll have another debate going on in the comments as well as to why I didn't mash up the guacamole. Well, I don't believe I've ever made a chunky guac on the channel. I've made regular guac, so I decided to keep it chunky. It just looks better, I think, styling-wise. If you don't have jackfruit, you don't like jackfruit, you could also substitute, you know, vegan chicken product or pulled mushroom or soy curls, which I've got you on the soy curl tip now. So you can sub whatever you want. The important part is the tinga flavor, which I'm liking, and the subtle refried beans. We just use canned refried beans, it's easier. All right, I like that. I'm liking the crunchy shell. Now we'll do a quesadilla. I do like, you know, quesadillas, I just like how, I don't know, they're cozy. But you know I love tacos, I don't know. I don't say when in doubt, put it in a quesadilla. I say when in doubt, put it in a taco. Now mine got a little soft because they've been sitting here. You know, we've also got flour versus corn. A lot of debates going on, so I can't wait to read the comments in this one. The melted cheese is more apparent in this, obviously, which makes sense because that's what a quesadilla is. It's really all about the melted cheese in the quesadilla. It's more apparent in this one, obviously. Am I gonna be honest about which one I like? I mean, I have to be honest. I don't know why, but I am leaning to the quesadilla. I truly didn't know which one I would pick. And perhaps it's just the mood I'm in, or the moon cycle. I'm not really sure. Can you see, can we get a nice squishy shot? This is what I'm liking about the quesadilla. Is it's all just meshing together a little nicer than in the taco. Even this little fruit fly wants in on the action. Now, an even nicer touch is right before on your cheese crust, you can squeeze some lime, or just do this because you're a savage while you're eating like I am. That hit of lime is very important. Yeah, I don't know why, but I'm leaning to this. I can't even give you a real reason other than the squishy thing. I like the squishy part. These are good, don't get me wrong. It's all up to you though. You decide. We put a poll up in the card here in the corner. Put it in the comments. You gotta make both, obviously. This cannot be like an untested guess at which one is the best. You have to make both and taste test them or do a poll amongst your family and friends. Anyways, leave a comment, click the card up in the corner. We put an official poll up there in the card, so I wanna see the percentage results. I picked quesadilla. The peeps on my crew picked quesadilla. Now I'm altering the voting already. I shouldn't have told you what I thought. Anyways, it's up to you. Doesn't matter what I think or what anyone, it just matters what you guys think, okay? Quesadillas or tacos, y'all decide. There are more Mexican-inspired dishes in the Hot for Food cookbook, vegan comfort classics, like the enchilada verde, which everyone loves. Everyone's been making that one on Instagram. Also, I've got fried avocados stuffed with a jackfruit mix. They are incredible. If you're ambitious and you're a deep frying pro now that you've been watching me for a few years, get your hands on that recipe and the cookbook, of course. If you're looking to add more dishes to your fiesta or whatever you're doing over there, keep watching Hot for Food. I got lots of recipes linked right here and right here. And of course, I'm here every Wednesday, so subscribe to Hot for Food and come back next week. See you then, bye.